Welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we will talk about the number system. To understand the number system better, it'll be simpler to categorize it first. So let's say that the entire number system is called real numbers. We're talking about number systems. So the first and foremost word for the number system is the real numbers, split between rationals. It's rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are those which can be expressed as a fraction. For example, 0.5 can be written as 1 over 2. The whole number 3 can be written as 3 over 1, so on and so forth. Irrational numbers, however, are those which cannot be expressed as a fraction. For example, square root of numbers that are perfect squares, cube root of numbers that are not perfect cubes, pi, so on and so forth. Rational numbers can be further categorized into integers and fractions. That's integers and that's fractions. Let's quickly talk about fractions first, and then I'll move on to integers and I'll explain you that in detail. Fraction. A fraction is when one quantity is expressed as a ratio of the other. For example, 3 over 4, 1 over 2, 5 over 7, so on and so forth. Fractions we'll talk in detail when we look at that topic separately. To understand integers, I'll just make a number line here. Now a number line is a line that has all numbers. We've got 0, we've got positive numbers, we've got negative numbers. The number line runs infinitely. That's what these two arrows represent. Now the entire number line contains integers. All these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, -2, so on and so forth, they're all integers. Integers can be further categorized into whole numbers and negative integers. Let's come back to the number line. These are whole numbers and these are negative integers. Talking more about what whole numbers are, whole numbers can then further be split into a 0 and natural numbers. A 0, we all know what a 0 is, here is a 0, and natural numbers. Natural numbers are also called positive integers. Coming back on the number line, that's the 0 and these are natural numbers or positive integers. To understand the negatives and the positives, I'll quickly run you through an example here. For example, that's a man standing at level ground, which is in 0 meters. If he sees a bird flying in the air, which is say maybe 75 meters above the level ground, so we just write on 75 meters. However, if there's a treasure box under the level, say 50 meters below, so 50 meters below the starting point will be represented by a negative. Positives represent something that's above or ahead of the starting point, and negative represents something that's below or behind the starting point. I hope that was clear. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, comment on it with your feedback, and share it with others. Thank you.